If you want to try macro photography but don't want a dedicated lens, in this case, this macro lens is not for this system. I have a different alternative that's a lot cheaper usually. 11mm and 18mm macro tubes. It does have full autofocus capabilities. Use these in combination with one of my lenses. One thing to consider with these macro tubes is that you don't want to use a wide angle lens on this because it's not going to work properly. Just a normal focal length. For example, 40mm f2. If you do have a kit lens, like 18 to 50, or in the case of full frame, 24 to 70, 24 to 50, you can use that as well. You can use these macro tubes in combination, or you can just use one. If you don't want as much close-up photography, just use the thin one. Or if you want closer, use a thick one. Or again, you can use those in combination. To put these on the camera, it's very simple. I'm going to either put them on the lens first or on the mount. I tend to put them on the mount first. And then we've got the one extension already attached to the camera. And then that's good. See, it definitely extends. Obviously, when you have these on the camera, you won't be able to get infinity focus. I'm going to take some photos with this setup with the two tubes, and then one single tube each, and then just a lens. Then you can see how close we can get with all of those based on this lens and these specific tubes. Macro tubes are a nice little alternative to actual macro lenses, as long as you have a lens that will work out decently. Like I said, you can most likely use a kit lens that generally comes with your camera to make that work. And you'll just have your kit lens set to 50mm or something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Scott Photography Bonsai. Thanks.